Today I'm going to talk about how to display different forms as part of tabs for related objects. This is really one of those things that's really very useful when we're talking about task, because the task object is used in multiple places, and you might want different fields presented based on the parent object. And what you can do is you can create as many different forms as you want. In the case of what I'm looking at here today, you'll see I actually have my main form, which is if the task is in what we call the upper window or the main window, it has focus. You'll see that the task form looks like this. However, I have multiple other forms, a tab form and a task tab form, which are used down in the tabs. This is your basic tab form. I have an additional one which is very similar but does have some different fields added, and there's an added button here, and these are used for different types of objects. So what you can do again is create whatever forms you want and add whatever fields you need, and you can even change the functionality based on the parent type. And then what you want to do is go to whatever parent object you have that you want the special form for. Say in this case I want this on my projects. Go to your form arrangement, and when you pull that up, go down to the task tab that was created, or whatever object you're going to be using here. We can go ahead and scroll across until we find our tasks. I have a lot of tabs on this one. And you go to your properties. It's fairly straightforward here. If you go to your tab contents, here at the top it asks you what relationship you want to use, and then it asks you what default form you would like to have. In this case, for project, I'm going to be using the task tab form. I could use any form that they have here, including a task summary. In the task summary, there's a summary form for every object, and it's just some very, very basic info that'll present in just plain text. But the other forms that you create are also available here, and you can, again, create as many different forms as you want, and if they're added as tabs, you can change the form that displays based on your preference or what you need.